So we'll be doing the task 5. Right, it's still part of freeing a function like the former one. So we are freeing a list of nodes, and we'll set the head to null, right? So we'll set the head to null, and then we'll free um, this. So the previous one, still checking, but I think there are better ways of writing that previous one, which I thought I should do. But anyway, let's just continue with this. I hope that this one checks, because I just realized, okay, I'm supposed to free it after the loop, and also check if the head is pointing to null, right? So we don't need to free. So you can add that to the code in case it doesn't work. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So we'll copy this guy, and let me clear this guy. So vi sorry, so vi lists, and then we'll paste this guy there. All right, so I'm going to create my 5 main.c. All right, all right, so what else? We'll create our file. So this is the second one, and then we'll copy our prototype. So it's void, so it's going to return void. Okay, so right, so then I'm going to include it. I'm going to include my list.h. Right, I'm going to document this and say free underscore list int 2, right? And I will say this one is to free a list of nodes, right? And set the head to null, right? And then we'll have our head, which is a pointer, right, to the first node, to the first element. Right, so we'll say list int, we're gonna create a temporary guy, right? Create a temporary guy. So we'll say if our head is equal to null, or okay, our head pointer, still the same thing, is equal to null, right? Any of the two. If it is, then it should just return. Since it's void, it will just say return, since it's void, right? So then we can say while our head next, so I can just say while our head, right, next. So you can remove the bracket and see if it works as well. So while our head next is not equal to null, okay, and then I'll just say tmp. So while our head next is not equal to null, so this guy is going to, it's supposed to iterate through our this guy, right? So that's what we're trying to do here. Okay, so tmp, remember we are trying to free, so tmp this, and then the braces is, I'm not sure it's that important, but you can try it out. All right, and then we'll have the reference. So we'll say our temporary, let me, it is tmp rather, here is equal to head next, right? And then we'll free our head, we'll free the head, and head equals to tmp. Okay, and then let's come out, we can come out. So this is what I was saying we could do in the previous one. Let me just continue, and then I would explain this guy, and then we'll say head equals to, no, I think this is it, right? And then we'll set head to null once we free everything. So if you come out of here, we can free it as well, so you can add that to the other one, but we are not initializing head to null in the previous one. So we are still freeing head, and then we initialize it with null. That's what we just did here. All right, here we are still freeing head, right? So and then we pass in the value of head to the temporary. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We pass in the value of head to temporary, so that, and then temporary is head next, right? So what we're doing is we say while head next is not equal to null, right? So while this guy, oh wait, I think our checker has, oh, I thought it checked, it's still loading. All right, so while this guy is not null, so that's what that line says. Okay, come on, hold on a second. Okay, okay, so what we did is, okay, we said that the, it will enter this while loop, right? And then it will continue um until the next pointer to the current head is null, right? So indicating that there are still nodes to be freed, right? So what we then do is that the current head node is freed using free function, right? And then the pointer is updated to point to the next node, that is this head equals to temp, right? So it is updated to point to the next node. Okay, because temp is head next, right? So we are giving head temp, which is head next. Okay, so the process will continue until all nodes are free except the last one, so where the while loop would exist, and then the last one will be freed, and then head will be set to null. Okay, so that's what you are doing. So the tmp head next, right? We are giving tmp the value of head next, which is the next guy, right? Then we free head, right? And then head will give it tmp, which is the next guy, right? So is the next guy equal to null? No. So it will come back here until the last part when it is actually null. Then it will free that head that is pointed to that guy, and then initialize the head to null. Okay, so that's what happens there. So let us compile. Is it this guy? No, it's this guy. F. So we'll have this new, I guess. So first Betty 5 free. Okay, we are Betty good. Okay, we are GCC good. Okay, I think we're good. So I'll git add, I'll git commit, and I will say free a node or free set of nodes. Free a list. I think it's still free in a list, and set head to none. Yeah, and then we'll git push. So you can go check our code as well. Okay, so if you have any changes, we'll let you know. All right, see you in the next one.